In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Amazon Storefront creator feature. So let's get straight into the video. So setting up your Amazon Storefront as an influencer involves using the Creator Hub to curate lists, post shoppable videos, and earn commissions. But in order to go ahead and do that, you want to open any browser that you prefer using. And here, what you want to look for is Amazon Influencer Program. Just like that. Now, what you want to do is click on the first link, which says affiliateprogram.amazon.com. And this is exactly where you want to simply go ahead and sign up. So when you go ahead and sign up, you'll need to go ahead and provide your details like your social media and many, many more. Then you can build your storefront, customize your page on Amazon with a personal URL. You can create content and recommend products to your audience. And when people purchase it through your link, then you will get commission. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.